The middle class is disappearing and nobody is talking about it. The rich are getting richer. The poor have always struggled, but the middle class is drowning, and fast. If you're in the middle class, you're standing on sinking sand. Your job, your savings, your lifestyle, it's all at risk. But here's the shocking part. Most people won't realize they're in trouble until it's too late. You still have a choice. In the next few minutes, you'll see exactly why the middle class is getting poorer, the hidden traps keeping you stuck, and most importantly, how to escape before it's too late. What you'll learn today could be the difference between financial freedom and financial disaster. For decades, people believed the middle class was safe. A steady, buoyant job, a house, a car, a decent lifestyle sounds good, right? But that dream is a trap. Wages aren't keeping up with inflation. Everything is getting more expensive: food, housing, healthcare, while companies are replacing jobs with automation and AI. And guess who's suffering the most? The middle class. In the last 20 years, the cost of living has skyrocketed, but salaries have barely moved. That's why you feel like you're working harder but getting nowhere, because you are actually getting nowhere. Debt is the new normal. Mortgages, student loans, credit cards, keeping you trapped in a cycle of payments, never wealth. The system is designed to keep you working just enough to survive, but never enough to be free. The rich don't work harder, they work smarter, and they play by a completely different set of rules. While the middle class saves money in banks, the rich invest in assets. While the middle class works for money, the rich make money work for them. While the middle class is taxed on their income, the rich use loopholes to pay almost nothing. It's not about working 9 to 5 and saving more. The system isn't designed to reward you for working hard. It's designed to keep you dependent. But what if you could break free? What if you could use the same strategies the wealthy use to escape the middle class struggle? Enough with the problems. Let's talk about solutions, because there is a way out. First, stop thinking like an employee. Jobs won't make you rich. Bills will. Start learning high-income skills today: copywriting, digital marketing, coding, investing, things that multiply your earning power. Second, build multiple income streams. The middle class relies on one income stream. The rich have several. Start a side hustle. Invest in real estate. Own digital assets. Diversify before it's too late. Third, invest like the rich. Saving money won't save you. Inflation destroys savings. You must put your money into cash-flowing assets like stocks, businesses, real estate, things that grow your wealth even while you sleep. Fourth, control your lifestyle inflation. The biggest trap is increasing your expenses when you make more money. The rich live below their means so they can invest aggressively. The middle class upgrades their cars, homes, and lifestyles and stays trapped. If you're in the middle class, time is running out. The economy is shifting, AI is replacing jobs, inflation is rising, waiting is not an option. The system is rigged, but you don't have to be a victim. Take control, start making smart financial moves now, and build the freedom you deserve. Now hit that like button if you found this valuable. Subscribe to LN Finance for more wealth building strategies, and drop a comment. What's your biggest financial struggle? Let's talk.